Hello there. Saturday afternoon now, just after 12, and it's gonna be harvest potato day for me. So I'm trying to beat the rain. It's been excessively raining out here for, I don't know, maybe like the past week. Last week is funny because I was talking about how there was no rain and I really needed it to rain. And then all of a sudden it's like the sky opened up and it's been raining almost every single day. I've got this midget cantaloupe that I'm about to throw over to the fence for the pigs. But come on, harvest some potatoes with me. All right, I'm really praying that the thunder doesn't mean that it's going to rain some more, because when I just checked the forecast, it said it was done after 12 o'clock, and it's just after 12 o'clock, and the sun is out, but you can probably hear the thunder. I'm sure you can hear the thunder. So what I'm going to be harvesting today is, I've got two beds. One is the Vego garden bed, brand new to the farm. We're trialing these. It's the first time I've ever used it. And then another one is I've got some in-ground potatoes. So I'm going to try to get as many of them out of here as I can. So let's go ahead and get started. I always wear a pair of gloves. I always wear a pair of gloves when harvesting because ants, me and ants, we just don't get along. Ants and I, we're not friends. And so I don't think that this bed has any ants in it, but you just never know. So better safe than sorry, because I don't want to be blistered up or having to take Benadryl or anything like that. So gloves are important to me when farming. Or I know that a lot of people will wear garden gloves, but I like these. I feel like these better protect me than garden gloves, and I don't get bit through them or anything like that. So I always wear a pair of rubber gloves. So if you follow me, or if you start to follow our farm and you see me harvesting with gloves on, with these kind of gloves on, it's because I don't get along with ants, and it's just easier for me to harvest this way. So let me set the camera up in front of the in-ground bed and we'll start to pull potatoes. So the way that thunder is rolling, it might rain on my head, but I hope it doesn't. Okay, this bed has red, white, and blue potatoes in here. And it's not exactly a bed that's pretty old, but I planted potatoes later than I normally do each year. And so because that has happened, it's gotten pretty hot pretty quickly out here. And so now what I'm going to do is just go ahead and do my best to get them harvested and get them out of here, because as you can see, everything looks pretty dead. So let's just start right where we are, and we're gonna go in the middle. Oh, not bad so far. That's a nice red potato right there. Looks pretty healthy. Oh, it's got a couple holes in it. So maybe something was attacking this, but it doesn't look bad at all. And I do have my spade, and I've got a shovel to end up with if we need to, so use the shovel we will. Those don't look so bad. Looks pretty good actually. Let's see. Oh, there's another one. Starting off good with these red potatoes. I'm not mad at these sizes at all. Actually, they look pretty good. A couple of small ones. So these potatoes would be about, today's the 14th. I planted them on April 1st. So I guess that makes them about 75 days old. So not too old, but because it's been excessively raining and because of how late in the season it's getting, it's just time for me to get these out of here so that I can make sure that I actually get a nice harvest. That's a good one. Not bad at all. And this is the first time that we've used this Vego garden bed. I bought it because I've been using these wooden beds forever and ever since we started farming seriously for our family and for our community. And over time, what's happening is that the termites are getting down really good in the bed, and they're just eating the wood up. And so in order to combat that, I figured, let me go ahead and try something different. And so that led me to purchasing these. Well, I just bought one so far because I can't afford that many, but that led me to purchasing this Vego garden bed that I'm trialing this season. Let's see how we're gonna do with it. Alrighty. Whew, this one looks like it's got a good view on here. Look at that. Those don't look bad at all. And the little baby ones we'll just kind of put in a pot, some soup or something. But oh, that probably was the seed potato. That one right there. Oh, these got some good size on them. Little medium-sized potatoes. I'm not mad at that at all. We'll see if we can tell the difference between this bed and our in-ground bed to see if they're any bigger. Come over here closer to you guys on this side so I can get this last one. Oh, and the last one is a white potato. I thought it was going to be red, but they're white. Not bad. Not bad at all. Getting down in there to see if I have any more. Oh, I think I found the seed potato. That probably was it right there. That probably was the seed potato. Oh, there's another one. Small ones, not so big. These were probably the potatoes that were 110 days or so, but you know, I can't risk losing my harvest. So pulling them out of here early to make sure that, you know, we can actually get some. Oh, there we go. There we go. Nice. These are really nice ones. Get a good picture of those. Really nice. Pull back at least on the camera. Really nice potatoes, those are. Good sizing, I like these. Very good, let's get some more of those. Oh yeah, good ones. And I try to go in good with my hands first before moving on to the shovel because I want to make sure that I'm not damaging anything. That's really important to me, that, you know, we can get a good harvest out of here and I'm not damaging any of the potatoes in the process. Something was definitely in here snacking on some of these because they've got some good holes in them. I guess that's with any organic garden. Ooh, wow. That's a really nice size one. That one looks really good. Happy about that one. Let's keep going. Oh, yep. Woo! Something's gotten to this one pretty good. We'll clean it up, see if we can eat it. I like to say that if the bugs got to it first, they just sampled it for you. Doesn't mean that you can't still eat it. Well, you can't eat that one, it's kind of gross. But for the most part, you can usually still eat your harvest. Just the bugs, sometimes they pre-sample before you can get to them. Let's see what this one gives us. Good ones in there. Very good, very nice. Ooh, some nasty bugs in here. So all the more reason to wear gloves. Got some little babies happening right there. Okay, so I'm thinking for the most part, I've got everything out of here that I can get with my hands. So I'm gonna go in with my shovel and see if I miss anything. Just gonna move some of the soil around on this side, looking to see if perhaps there's anything that we missed. And I filled up this garden bed completely with soil. A lot of times people won't do that, but I did it. I think the next time that I'm able to go ahead and purchase one of these Vego garden beds, I'm gonna use less soil, but I really didn't have anything that I could put on the bottom of this at the time, and I was just so anxious to use this bed. So I just went for it. But next time for sure, oh baby, next time for sure, I will put something on the bottom of these beds to cut down on some of the soil costs. So it looks like for the most part, I don't have anything else over there on that side. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that back. And then we'll move on to the next couple of rows. All right, let's check out this side and see what we're gonna get over here. I don't think there was a plant right here. Oh, there was a plant right here. I guess I moved it. Because I see potatoes. Potatoes. Oh, there's a baby. I missed it. Oh, baby. I think these were the seed potatoes down in here. I see some skins. Ooh. My bug spray is, my natural bug spray is wearing off because the gnats are trying to get me. I missed one. Maybe there wasn't a plant right there. Maybe that was just part of this plant that is right here in the middle. So let's keep going. See what we can get. Couple, medium, small, smallish bear. Whew, good thing I have these gloves on because I definitely see some ants in this bed. Apparently they like potatoes too. Sorry guys, I really don't want to share with you. All right, coming over to that side. Just a couple, not too many. Just a couple on there. Not bad. Oh boy. Definitely some ants in here. Not so bad. I've been really worried about losing this harvest because of all the rain we've been having. Doesn't look like it's going to be the best harvest either, but any harvest is a good harvest, so I won't complain. Whoa. Not bad. Actually, really good. Oh, someone got into that one. Not good on that one. Oh, let me fix this camera. There we go. Oh, we're a little crooked, aren't we? There we go. Now you can see me. I can see you. Yeah, some of these, the bugs got into them. It's okay. Still looks like we've got, oh, some got into that one too. It's okay. That's what I was worried about, but it's okay. There's that thunder again. Go away, thunder. Stop it. We had enough rain for the last us probably a good 2 weeks, to be honest with you. So I really don't think it needs to rain anymore right now. It's funny because, you know, when you're a farmer or when you're growing food, you're always like, oh, rain, rain, we need the rain. We do, we definitely need the rain, but there is such a thing as too much of a good thing. And that's what's been happening now with the rain that we've been having this week. Too much of a good thing. Not bad, not bad at all. See what I mean? Ugh, I don't like it. Not good. Not good for that one. That's all right. We're gonna just keep digging. Oh, looks like we've gotten to the bluish purple ones now. Oh, that looks like something got into it too. Can you guys see that hole? Pretty big hole at the top too. No good. Oh gosh, I don't know what was in here. Oh, but I see a lot of ants. Put those right there for now. Not too many of those, sadly. We'll keep digging. Got one more set over here. One more row. Let's see what we can come up with. No good. That one doesn't look so bad. Put it in the bucket. Oh, that looks like our seed potato right there. Love to keep these little babies. Oh man, a lot of that happening. Not good. Now remember, this was fresh soil, so whatever has gotten in here, it's gotten in here really good. Seems like it's more than just us who like potatoes. What can you do? Man, I'm kind of thankful that, not even kind of, I am thankful that I'm harvesting these early because just as I suspected, maybe I might not have gotten a harvest if I waited too much longer. So good to go with your gut. That thunder. There was a white one over here still. Oh, remember when you were little? You used to sing the Rain, Rain, Go Away song? That's what I need to sing about now. Rain, rain, go away, come again some other day. I can't sing. It never worked when I was a kid. Sure it won't work now. That's a nice dog. Oh, no, there's one over here. Two over here, actually. Oh, yeah, got that. No, it's okay. Oh, more potatoes. Okay, let's get in there with the shovel and see what I missed. All right, so I'm just going through this bed now, seeing if perhaps I missed anything. Oh, I see a baby. Let's go ahead and get that little baby out of there. This potato mush can come out of here too. I don't see any more potatoes. I think that's it. Just dig around here a little bit. See if maybe I missed something over here. Oh, little baby. That's it for our potato harvest from this Vego garden bed. Alrighty, so this is what I got from the in-ground, not the in-ground, this is what I got from the Vego garden bed. Not that much at all, but we'll take what we can get, right? A lot of these look like something was definitely eating them, so it was a good idea to go ahead and pull them because I planted them late. Usually I plant about mid-February and life happened in a big way and I didn't even get potatoes in the ground until April 1st. So they've been in there about 75 days. But at least we get a harvest. Thankful for what we get every single time. You gotta be thankful for whatever you grow. And so even though it's a small harvest today, I'm extremely thankful for everything that we've been able to grow. And my goodness, the weather is just not cooperating with me. So I'm gonna stop here. I'm gonna take what I have and be thankful. And until next time, you guys continue to grow your food, feed your families, feed your community, and have a good one. Bye-bye.